Good day everyone. Today I will explain the stages of human development from infancy to adolescence, and I show you the example every stage, and I will explain it in the end of the video. This is infancy from birth to about 2 years old. During this stage, babies are fully dependent on adults and develop basic motor skills such as crawling, walking, and speaking. Simple words, their sense and brain develop rapidly as they explore their surroundings. This is preschooler stage, usually from 3 to 5 years old. Children learn mainly through playing while developing language skill, imagination, and creativity. They also learn to share, follow simple rules, and interact with others, which helps build social and emotional skills. After that comes children from 6 to 12 years old. Children begin formal schooling and developing skills like reading, writing, and problem solving. They also learn discipline, responsibility, and cooperation while growing physically stronger. The next stage is adolescence or teenage years. This stage marked by puberty and major physical and emotional change. Teenagers start forming their identity, values, and life goals while becoming more independent.